Hi everyone, welcome to WPL Club. In this video, we will be showing you how you can display all your WordPress posts in a page. So for that, let's get started. To get started, we would be installing a plugin called Display Post Shortcode. So for that purpose, go to Plugins, Add New. Here you are, install and activate it. I've already done that. So after you have done this, go to Pages, Add New. Right now I'm creating a page called blog, and here is all my articles. So after you have done this, you need to paste this shortcode in here, and here you can see in the display post per page section and order descending section, you can change this as your preference. As you prefer, you can change this. You can keep 2510 anywhere you want, and even order you can change from descending to ascending. So after you have done all that, click on publish, and then you will be good to go. This page will contain all your WordPress posts in a single page. So this is how you can display all your WordPress posts in one page. Thank you for watching our video. If you like these tutorials, please subscribe to our channel, like and share with all your WordPress enthusiast friends. Thank you for watching. We'll be back again with another video. Bye.